pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Pocomoke City local, and long-distance movers near me. Are you planning a move across the globe or overseas? 3 men and a truck. Always ensure that your belongings reach your destination on time. Such a long-distance move comes with a lot of stress and confusion. And the last thing you need to worry about is when your belongings will reach and whether they are safe or not. With 3 men and a truck, you don't have to worry about anything. We will take care of your belongings. We deliver your belongings on time without any cancellations and delays. We provide you with the services for loading, packing, unpacking, and transporting your belongings to your new destination. Whether a long-distance move to a new state or overseas, start your moving journey with 3 men and a truck. Local moves are as tough as long-distance moves. Even though the distance is less, you still have to pack your items and belongings and lift them to your new home. Free yourself from such heavy lifting by hiring 3 men and a truck. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pocomoke City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.